Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the numerical that is related to the physics. First numerical that we discuss that internal resistance reduce the terminal voltage because it produce back EMF, cause power loss inside the battery, increase the current, decrease the EMF. Here we know that the terminal voltage V that is equal to E minus I R, where here V is that is the terminal voltage, IR is the voltage drop inside the battery, E that represent the EMF that is the total source of the battery. Power is lost inside the battery because of internal resistance. This is IR. The R shows the internal resistance. So this is the internal resistance. Because of the internal resistance, the total voltage of the battery is EMF source is battery is decreased. So terminal voltage is decreased. So power is wasted inside the battery because of the internal resistance. Internal resistance reduces the terminal voltage because power loss inside the battery. So here is the correct option is option B. Now we discuss the second numerical, that is the if A vector is given and B vector is given, magnitude of A cross B is here. A vector that is given AI vector plus B J unit vector. B that is the 4 A I unit vector plus B J unit vector. So B vector that is the both A vector same magnitude. So here we can write that B vector is equal to 4 into A vector. If we shows the this is the A vector and this is the B vector that is the 4 times greater than the A vector, they both the vector direction is same. So here we write that both vectors are parallel. Both vectors are parallel and the cross product of parallel vector is 0. We know that the cross product of the parallel vector is 0. Here is the A cross B, both are in the same direction. So the cross product of these two vectors is 0. So our correct option is option D, that is the 0 answer. Okay, now discuss the last numerical. Last numerical, they asked that a proton and alpha particle enter in the same magnitude with equal speed compared to the proton. The alpha particle path will have larger radius, smaller path, larger length, greater deflection. So here we write that the radius in magnetic field, that is the R is equal to mv over qb for proton. Radius of the proton is equal to mv over qb for alpha. Radius of the alpha is equal to mass of the alpha is 4m. So we write as 4mv and charge of the alpha is 2q. So here we write the 2qb. So radius of the alpha is equal to 2mv over qb. That is mv over qb, that is equal to rp. So we can write that r alpha is equal to 2rp. This equation show that the radius of the alpha is greater than the radius of the proton. So here we write that larger radius of the alpha particle will have is the correct answer. So this is all about to discuss the physics numerical.